So today we're starting something sort of, hopefully we can do somewhat quick. It's a paint job. Yeah, I know it's not going to be quick at all. But you remember the F1 I built? We are painting it. We are doing all the body work and everything. So I went and dropped some money today on longboard paper. We've got Scotch Brite. We've got sanding for the DA and for the palm sander. We got more longboard paper at a different thickness, Bondo spreaders, tape. This is called Dolphin Glaze, and it's really, really good. We've got a gallon of filler in here. This is just Evercoat Lightweight. Some 400 for after we prime it and wet sand it. I do not have primer or the paint or the clear in here yet. This was a bit of money, but still not too bad. Yeah, I almost spent as much on the green longboard paper as I would have if I bought just a roll. Should have just bought a roll of 80. I mean, it would have been a little bit more, but dang it. Okay, but that's the materials, and I also brought my box. That didn't sound right, but it is my box. My box. Air longboard, yes, from Harbor Freight. This thing works good. I mean, really good. I've had it for about 5 years now, and it hasn't failed to let me down. Except for that one time I took it apart and cleaned it and almost destroyed it. Soft sanders. You guys ever use these? Amazing. Work killer. Bunch of different shapes. Kevin Tates approves. If Kevin Tates approves, I'm buying it. Plain and simple. Okay, those are I think these are foot longs. Or 10 inch. I don't know. I don't remember. It's been a while. Okay, these are 8 inch. 8 inch. Then we have the hand sanders. These are like 4 inch. I don't know. Anyway, what else do we have in the magic box? This is papers. Don't need to see that. So then we have two very long boards. These are like 18 inch. They're pretty long. 16 inch long boards. Little hand plastic palm sander. You can see I got paint on it. Then I have my hand longboard. Yes, I do stuff by hand too, because I want it done perfect as I possibly can. I can't say perfect forever. Some of the other stuff I brought from home. Some 40 grit for shaping. Yes, that will not be going on a DA or nothing. This will be going by hand, because it'll destroy stuff. Then we start the new stuff. Yeah, boy. Mini blocks. These are mini mini hand sanders by Motor Guard. There's like 6 in here, or there's 9 in here. All different, there's 3 of each different shape right there. Those are going to come in handy for little areas. But now we get down to the stuff. Oh. So these are I think these are like different style of sanders. Yeah. Yes. Look at that. These are all like soft sanders. This one's for, the wraparound block. Ultra block for wet sanding. So I think that's actually for regular sanding. But, we got sanding block upon sanding block upon sanding block in here. These are your softer sanding blocks that have, breaks on the edges and whatnot. Like this one's really soft. Look at that. Oh, foam, smushy. What we got here? We got a contour sanding block, which means it goes around stuff, But anyway, that's the medium box. I know somebody's like, oh, you need all these blocks for when you're sanding. Dude, you need different blocks. You need lots of different blocks. These kits help, but you'll still have to find some. Heck, you're gonna have to make stuff out of wood, out of PVC, out of car parts. I mean, you never can get the right contour till you have the right contour. So here we have our rigid sanding blocks. You know, I didn't even notice the sticker on there. Which one does this say? Professional quality sanding block assortment. It's just a sanding block assortment. And this is the rigid sanding blocks. These are the hard blocks. These are the big hard blocks. Oh, look. Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Look at here. These are both Velcro back and stick it back. This is a stick it. The other big one is a Velcro. All the freaking longboard paper I got stick it. Yeah, but there's two of each, two long, two medium, two small. All from Motor Guard. These things are killer. I haven't used them yet, but I can already tell you they're killer. Because you always gotta have nice big blocks, man. Look at this. Yeah, boy. That's how you get a truck straight right there. Now I gotta put all this crap back. But I'll walk you around the truck right here after I get all this crap put back. Let's get a little walk around. You can smell it.